بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم.
أولئك على هدى من
ربهم.
ربهم.
Okay, so Islam is about it. This sign name is mud sign. Is big mud sign. Okay. So
Okay.
this mud sign name is a madde muttasil, long mad. The mad in which after madda letter the next letter is a hamza in the same word is called madde muttasil. It is prolonged for 4 to 6 meter of 4 to 6 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
And Islam is about this sign, alif shape sign. This sign name is standing fatha. The sound of standing fatha is straight for 2 seconds. Okay, it's
Okay.
ulaika ala.
أولئك على.
Yes. Again, dal with connect meme, and dal is above with 2 fatha sign. Do you know what will be that sound? Double fatha.
Uh.
The sound of double fatha is an.
And.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So dal with connect meme and meme with a ghunna. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So meme is above it. Can you see this sign? W shape sign.
Yeah.
Oh, this sign name is Shadda sign. If any letter has a Shadda sign on it, then we connect that letter with the letter behind it. We press that letter for half a second. We read the second sign of that letter beside the tashdid. Okay?
Okay.
So dal with connect meme and meme with the ghunna. Okay? Ghunna means
Okay.
nasal sound. There are 2 ghunna letters, noon and meme. If noon or meme have a shadda sign on any of them, then we apply ghunna by passing the sound for 1 second instead of half a second. So in the ghunna of noon, we press the tongue to a roof for 1 second. So now we will do ghunna on meme. Okay. So in the ghunna of meme, we keep our lips closed and press for 1 second. Okay. It's على هدى من ربهم.
على هدى من ربهم.
Yes. So do you know Ra has some exception? It may be bold or light. So do you know when we will read Ra is bold and when we will read Ra is light?
When there is a shadda in
No,
front.
no, no,
It,
no, no. Ra has some exception. It may be bold or light. So it is bold when it has any harakat movement upon it. So if there is fatha or dhamma at the top of Ra, then we will read Ra thick or bold. Okay?
yeah.
Yes. So it is light when it has any harakat movement below it. So Ra is light. Okay?
Yeah.
So now we will read Ra is bold because Ra is above it, Fatha sign. Mir Rabbihim.
من ربهم.
Yes. وأولئك هم المفلحون.
وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Yes. Do you know this file is above it? What this sign name? This one.
Which one?
This one. Fa is above it.
Sukun.
Yeah. Do you know what is Skun sign? Can you explain me?
Uh,
Do you
it
know?
makes the vowel go like an, in, or un.
Oh no. If a letter has a sukun sign on it, then we have to connect it with the letter behind it. If there's sukun on hamza, then we have to make the sound jerk. We have connecting them with the letter behind it. Okay.
Okay.
And do you know what's the madda letter on here? Can you find the madda letter from this word?
Wow.
Wow. Can you explain me?
The sukun.
No, can you explain me what is waw madda?
When it goes silent.
When waw has a sakin sign, is waw is above it, the sign name is sakin sign, sukun sign. So when waw has a sukun sign and the letter before waw has a dhamma. Okay?
Okay.
When waw has a sakin sign and the letter before waw has a dhamma, so this waw called is waw madda, and we will stitch for 2 seconds. There are 3 madda letter: alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. So now is here it's waw madda. Okay.
Yeah.
وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ.
وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Please you read loudly. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا.
إن الذين كفروا.
So now do ghunna on this word because is a noon ghunna is here. If the because is a noon ghunna is here. Okay, there are 2 ghunna letter, noon and mim. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you know what is ghunna?
No.
Oh, what is a noon ghunna? So noon ghunna, in the ghunna of noon we press the tongue to the roof for 1 second. It's in. Okay.
Okay.
سواء عليهم.
سواء عليهم.
أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم.
أأنتم
No,
ذرهم.
that's wrong. It's أأنذرتهم.
أأنذرتهم.
Yes, do ikhfa on this word. Okay? Ikhfa means
Yeah.
hiding the voice of mim or noon. So then we will hide. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And there are throat letters are hamzaha, ain ha, ghain kha. So if noon has a sukun, okay? Zirhum. If noon had a sukun on its noon, and next to it is the letter which is not from the throat letter, then we apply ikhfa on noon. The 3 rules of ikhfa are: read the sound of noon in your nose and stick the sound for 1 second, and don't touch your tongue anywhere while applying ikhfa, reading the noon sound in your nose. It's don't say an, it's zarotahum.
Okay.
Repeat after me. zarotahum.
أأنذرتهم
أم لم تنذرهم.
أم تنذرهم.
أم لم تنذرهم.
أم لم تنذرهم
لا يؤمنون.
لا يؤمنون.
ختم الله على قلوبهم.
ختم الله على قلوبهم.
Please you read loudly. So this letter qaf is bold. So there are 7 bold letters. These letters are pronounced with heavy and strong voice. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, and Qaf. Okay?
Yeah.
على قلوبهم
على قلوبهم
وعلى سمعهم
ولا
وعلى
وعلى
سمعهم
سمعهم
وعلى أبصارهم
ولا
أبصارهم
أبصارهم
غشاوة ولهم
خشاعة
غشاوة
خشاوة
ولهم عذاب عظيم
ولهم عذاب عليم
عظيم.
عظيم.